Excuse me, your bag is open.
Oh, thank you for telling me.
I can see your things inside.
I did not notice it was open.
You should close it right now.
I will close it right now.
No problem. Don't want to lose anything.
Yeah, that would be bad.
It is good to be careful.
Thanks again. You are right to be careful.
I always zip my bag shut.
I will try to remember next time.
That is a very nice bag.
Thank you, I like it too.
Check if you still have everything.
Let me check if everything is here.
I am glad I saw it.
I am glad you saw it too.
Be safe with your stuff today.
I will be careful. Thank you.
Of course. Have a good day.
You too. Bye. Hi. Are you waiting for the doctor?
Yes, my appointment is at 10:30.
Me too. The wait isn't too bad today.
That's good. I hope it stays quick.
I hope we both get seen soon.
Thank you, that is very kind.
The doctor is very nice here.
Yes, the staff here is very helpful.
I come to this office often.
This is my first time visiting.
Remember to drink lots of water.
I will thank you for the advice.
Getting rest is important when sick.
I will try to get more rest.
I always bring a book to read.
That is a very good idea.
It is good to be patient.
Yes, waiting is part of the process.
Bye. Feel better soon.
Thank you, I hope you do too. Hi, is this bus number 12?
Yes, it is. Are you going to the mall?
Yes. Do you know how many stops?
About 5 stops. It won't take long.
Great, thanks. I'm new to this route.
No problem. Happy to help.
How much is the bus fare?
The fare is $2 exactly.
Does this bus accept cash only?
Yes, exact change is needed today.
I hope we are on time.
We should arrive right on time.
The bus is very crowded today.
Yes, it is always busy now.
I will stand near the door.
That is a very smart idea.
Well, this is my stop. Thanks again.
You're welcome. Enjoy them all.
I had a nice talk with you.
Bye. I enjoyed our talk very much.
I hope to see you again.
That would be very nice too.
Bye. Have a good day.
You too. Have a wonderful day. Hey, Alex. Your phone is ringing.
Oh, thanks. I didn't hear it.
It has been ringing for a while.
I will answer it right now.
You should probably answer that call.
You are right, it could be urgent.
No problem. It might be important.
Yeah, thanks for letting me know.
I hope it is good news.
I hope it is good news too.
Is your phone on silent mode?
Yes, I often keep it silent.
Sometimes I miss calls too.
That happens to me all the time.
It is easy to not hear it.
I really appreciate you telling me.
I am glad I could help.
You are very kind to help.
Of course. Well, have a good one.
You too. Bye.
I hope you have a nice day. Goodbye.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Talk to you again soon.
Goodbye. See you later, my friend. Hi. Is that a new laptop?
Yes. I just got it for work.
Nice. Is it fast?
Very fast. It helps a lot.
Cool. What brand is it?
It's a Nova. Really good reviews.
Does it have a big screen?
Yes, the screen is very big.
How long does the battery last?
The battery lasts all day long.
Is it easy to carry around?
Yes, it is very light too.
Was it very expensive to buy?
It was a good price, actually.
Do you like the keyboard on it?
The keyboard is very comfortable to use.
I need a new computer too.
You should definitely get one too.
Thanks. I might check it out.
You should. Well, back to work.
I will look for it online now.
Bye. I hope you find a good one.
Bye. Good luck with it.
Thanks. I really like it so far. Do you want to talk?
Yes, I would like to talk.
Should we go somewhere else?
Yes, let's go somewhere else.
Are you comfortable there?
Yes, I am comfortable here.
Can you scoot over, please?
Sure, I can scoot over.
Do you need more space?
Yes, I need more space.
Should I move this chair?
Yes, please move that chair.
Is the music too loud?
No, the volume is perfect.
Can you turn it down?
Sure, I will turn it down.
Do you prefer quiet?
Yes, I prefer quiet places.
Should we play a card game?
Yes, let's play a game.
Are you winning the game?
Yes, I am winning slightly.
Can you teach me how?
Sure, I can teach you.
Do you know the rules?
Yes, I know the rules.
Should we look up the rules?
Yes, let's look them up.
Is it my turn yet?
Yes, it is your turn.
Can you help me with this?
Of course, I will help.
Do you want to go first?
Yes, I will go first.
Should we switch places?
Yes, let's switch places now.
Are you having fun?
Yes, I am having fun.
Can you take a picture?
Sure, I'll take a picture.
Do you want to be in it?
Yes, I want to be in it.
Should I smile or pose?
You should just smile naturally.
Is the camera working?
Yes, the camera is working.
Can you send me that photo?
Yes, I'll send it now.
Do you have my number?
Yes, I have your number.
Should I text it to you?
Yes, please text it to me.
Are you free tomorrow night?
Yes, I am free tomorrow.
Can you call me tomorrow?
Yes, I will call you tomorrow.
Do you promise to call?
Yes, I promise to call.
Should I set a reminder?
Yes, you should set a reminder.
Is your battery dying?
Yes, my battery is low.
Can you borrow a charger?
Yes, I can borrow one.
Do you have an extra one?
Yes, I have an extra charger.
Should I let it charge?
Yes, let it charge fully.
Is the toast ready yet?
Yes, the toast just popped up.
Can you butter the toast?
Sure, I'll butter it for you.
Do you want jam or honey?
I would like jam, please.
Should I pour the juice?
Yes, please pour the juice.
Is the cereal box empty?
Yes, the box is empty now.
Can you get the milk out?
Yes, I'll get the milk.
Do you like this show?
Yes, I like this show.
Should we change the channel?
Yes, let's find something else.
Is that a new shirt?
Yes, it is a new shirt.
Can you fold these socks?
Okay, I'll fold the socks.
Do you need a hanger?
Yes, I need one hanger.
Should I hang this up?
Yes, please hang it up.
Are you going to bed?
Yes, I am going to bed.
Can you turn off the light?
Yes, I'll turn off the light.
Do you want the big pillow?
Yes, I want the big pillow.
Should I fluff your pillow?
Yes, please fluff it for me.
Is the night light on?
Yes, the night light is on.
Can you check for monsters?
I checked, no monsters there.
Do you want a good night kiss?
Yes, I want a good night kiss.
Should I leave the door open?
Yes, please leave it open.
Is the car locked?
Yes, the car is locked.
Can you check the back seat?
Yes, the back seat is empty.
Do you have your sunglasses?
Yes, I have my sunglasses.
Should I wear my sunglasses?
Yes, you should wear them.
Are my keys in my bag?
Yes, your keys are in there.
Can you listen for my phone?
Yes, I'll listen for it.
Do you hear that ringing?
Yes, I hear it ringing now.
Should I answer the phone?
Yes, you should answer it.
Is it a telemarketer calling?
Yes, it is a telemarketer calling.
Can you take a message?
Yes, I can take a message.
Do you want to go shopping?
Yes, I want to go shopping.
Should we make a list first?
Yes, let's make a list first.
Are your shoes by the door?
Yes, my shoes are there.
Can you untie my shoelaces?
Sure, I can untie them.
Do these shoes look okay?
Yes, those shoes look fine.
Should I wear different shoes?
Yes, wear the comfortable ones.
Is there a discount today?
Yes, there is a discount today.
Can you find a shopping basket?
Yes, I'll find a basket.
Do you need a shopping cart?
Yes, we need a shopping cart.
Should we get a red one?
Yes, let's get a red cart.
Is this apple ripe enough?
Yes, this apple is ripe.
Can you smell this melon?
Yes, it smells very sweet.
Do you prefer green bananas?
No, I prefer yellow bananas.
Should we get some ice cream?
Yes, let's get some ice cream.
Are you done in the bathroom?
Yes, I am done now.
Can you hand me a towel?
Sure, here is a towel.
Do we have more shampoo?
Yes, there is more shampoo.
Should I use your shampoo?
Yes, you can use mine.
Is the water hot enough?
Yes, the water is hot.
Can you check the water temperature?
Feels perfect to me.
Do you want to build a fort?
Yes, let's build a fort.
Should we use these blankets?
Yes, these blankets are perfect.
Are you a good fort builder?
Yes, I am a great builder.
Can you grab more pillows?
Yes, I'll grab more pillows.
Do you want to hide in here?
Yes, let's hide in here.
Should we read a book inside?
Yes, let's read a book inside.
Is this a good book?
Yes, this is a good book.
Can you read this page?
Sure, I'll read this page.
Do you know this word?
No, I don't know it.
Should we look it up?
Yes, let's look it up.
Are you drawing a picture?
Yes, I am drawing a picture.
Can you draw a dinosaur?
Sure, I can draw one.
Do you like my drawing?
Yes, I like your drawing.
Should I use the blue crayon?
Yes, use the blue crayon.
Is this your favorite color?
Yes, blue is my favorite.
Can you cut this paper?
Yes, I can cut the paper.
Do you have safety scissors?
Yes, I have safety scissors.
Should we make a card?
Yes, let's make a card.
Are you good at coloring?
Yes, I am good at coloring.
Can you stay in the lines?
Yes, I can stay inside.
Do you want to play outside?
Yes, I want to play outside.